So, in this video, we will be talking about exam format for practical exam. So, let's talk about the layout of the exam. Now, before we give the exam, we need to understand how the exam would look like or what would be the environment. So, in which we would give the exam. So, as you can see, you will be given this whole exam in the browser tab, right? Can you see, if you can see on the top section, so the whole exam whatever you are going to be given, this whole exam in the browser. Now you will open a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whichever browser you want, and in that browser there would be a particular tab which the EC Council will provide you. Like you can see here, there will be a workstation 2 and workstation 1 will be there. Now it would be a particular tab which the IC Council will provide you, and in that particular tab this windows will appear where you will have this one Parrot machine, and second will be your this type of Windows machine, right? So now in that particular tab this windows would appear, the windows as you can see on the slides right now here. So on the left hand side the screen would be divided in two parts. If you can see EH workstation 1 and this is your EH workstation 2 which is divided. Now the bigger part would be your virtual machine. As you can see, this one will be your virtual machine right now if you can see, and the left hand side would be the questions. Right now you can see the like the blurred one, this is your question side in the right side, and this is the left side of your virtual machine. So this is how you will be the exam scenarios. So one machine will be your practical, sorry, your Parrot machine, and the second machine will be your Windows. Now so from the left hand side, like this one right now you can see it's my right side. So yes, the scenario is little bit changed. So in the right side you will read the questions, and on the left side there would be a virtual machine, that is a Parrot virtual machine. From here onwards you will do the scanning and all the tools which you use, like which you will use on Parrot machine. Now inside the Parrot machine on the desktop of the Parrot VM you will see a icon with the name seconds, like machine or something like Windows machine or machine to the name would be the mentioned, right? Okay, now in the question in the right hand side if you can see here, they will mention the password, username, etc. for starting the labs. Like for the Parrot machine they will provide you the password, and for the Windows machine they will also provide you the password. With the help of the given credentials you can log in into the machines. Now so when you click on the desktop and on that particular icon that says the machine tools, then you will enter the second machine, which means your Windows 10 machine or Windows 11 machine now. So using that you will simultaneously use both the machine, Parrot machine as well as Windows machine, which means you will not gonna use your own VirtualBox or VMware. You need to use some XYZ URL they will gonna provide you on the exam, and entire exam will be given on your browser only, which means there is no local labs you need to set. Now the third thing which I wanted to say is, when you are like, there won't be a multiple choice question answer. Like for example, if they tell you that what is the hash value of this particular text, okay, just take an example. In the right side if they are asking you a question like what is the hash value of this particular text, so there won't be a four options. Okay, in the practical exam there won't be a four options like EGPT. Now instead of, you have to write the answer manually, and you have to make sure that there is no case sensitive. Understand, like there is no case sensitive should be there, and mistakes of case sensitive, like because of case sensitive mistakes, 1 mark, or like as I told you in the beginning only of mine was cut, and that's why could only score 90 out of 20. Now otherwise I would get a full marks. But so don't worry, the exam is not that difficult. And the next thing is, you will get 5 attempts. Sorry, now it was like in my time, but now in the exam you will get only 3 attempts, which means if you will click or if you will put the right answer in the fourth attempt also, you will lose your marks. So make sure give the correct answer within 3 attempts. So for example, if you have written the answer here on the right side, there would be a green tick mark, which means you have given the correct answer. And make sure the answer format will be given here. So will show a cross mark, which means the check mark, which means you got the point, and if there is a red tick, which means you lose the marks. So you can only attempt till 3 times. After that the questions you cannot attempt it. So this would be the how the whole exam would look like. The more we move further, the more I will tell you the sample questions, the more you will understand so how it's going to be done. So thank you, and let's move on to the next video.